Good morning, everybody. It's the start of another Disney vlog series. We're going to Disney for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's currently Saturday at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm tired. We're all ready to go, packed up, and we have to head over to the airport because our flight departs at like 5:22 in the morning. So let's get on the road and head to Disney. And the status is this is what my hair looks like right now. We'll see what it looks like after an airplane and if it holds in Florida at all. I'm ready to go. Let's go. We made it to the airport. Thankfully the airport is empty because we only have like a half hour to get through security, but it'll be no issues. That's why I love this airport so much. I wanted to do the room tour for our Gran Destino Tower studio room. It's a really nice room and we've never stayed here before, so let's just quickly walk through the room. It reminds me a lot of our room at Wilderness Lodge, actually. There's a lot of similarities between the two. So when you first walk in, it's got the same sliding door as Wilderness Lodge, but it's not a mirror this time, it's just a door. I do miss the giant mirror, it was really nice. And then you've got a bathroom with double sinks. Gotta appreciate the double sinks, especially in a studio, because some resorts have them, some don't. And then there's just like a lot of room for the toilet. And then if we walk over to this side, we have a walk-in shower, like a true walk-in seamless shower. This is very nice. I love a rain head shower head. And I like that it also has the handheld as well. Yes, this is definitely a handicap room because we've got the little seat for the shower, so that's why there's so much toilet room. We've got what I assume is closet storage. Oh, there's a nice little light, and here is a full-length mirror. And then over here we've got the main living space. This is set up like a DVC room, so I'm not sure if this is standard for handicap rooms. We got our queen size bed. I think it's a queen size, but it looks bigger. This could be a king. Complete with a Ricky, but your room will not come with a Ricky, unfortunately. Another mirror. I like the little light above the bed. Just adds like some ambiance for when you're hanging out at night. And we don't have a balcony. I don't think any of the tower rooms have balconies. We are on the 6th floor, and we get a sweet view of Tower of Terror all the way right there. Zoom you in, you can probably see it. There it is. cute little Tower of Terror, which we probably can see phantasmic fireworks if they are going off at night. I'll have to check that out and see if I can see those. You've also got a really spacious living area. You've got a chair and kind of a whole desk set up here if you needed to like do some work, if you work from home. Not too much clothing storage, but enough for the two of us. And your resort TV. You got a really basic, simple coffee setup, Keurig machine, Disney K-cups, mini fridge, which this is actually not a refrigerator, it's just like a beverage cooler. So don't keep like food in here overnight and expect it to still be good the next morning. And we've got the Hey Disney, which I think is pretty much in all of the at least deluxe resorts right now. So that's gonna be it for this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed.